A very good morning, students. This is our E-class of English subject, and for today's class you all need your book of English and your English notebook. So firstly, keep both things together along with your pencil and eraser so that we can start the class. Now open your book of English, page number 52. The topic name is Let Us Play Matching Game. In this page we have a matching exercise. Read the letter, circle the picture, the name of which begins with the given letter. So basically here we have a letter and 3 pictures. What we have to do is we just have to circle the correct picture, circle the picture related to given letter, okay? For example, this is letter Q. This is letter Q. And here we have picture of flower, picture of tree and picture of queen. So which picture is related to letter Q? The picture of queen. So circle the picture of queen, okay? Similarly, our next letter is L. And here we have picture of ice cream, picture of lion and picture of fan. तो किस picture में circle करेंगे? Tell me the picture of lion because L for lion. Now next letter is J. So J for juice or J for house or J for jug. Which one? Sorry, J for juice, J for house or J for duck. Which one is correct? बताइए. जूस होगा J for house होगा या duck होगा? J for juice no, तो circle juice. Same way आपको ये पूरी एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट करना है, ओके? पेज नंबर 52 and page number 53. The same thing is given in page number 53 as well. As here we have letter P and we have picture of pencil, balloon and ant. So which one is correct? The picture of pencil. So circle the picture of pencil. तो पेज नंबर 52 एंड 53 आपको कंप्लीट करना है. जो लेटर लिखा हुआ है उसी से रिलेटेड जो पिक्चर है उसे आपको सर्कल करना है. क्लियर? गुड. नाउ टर्न द पेज फॉर नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज. इन पेज नंबर 54 द सेम एक्सरसाइज इज गिवन. यहाँ पे भी आपको वही करना है that you have done in page number 52 and 53. Means you will read the letter and then you will circle the correct picture. For example, here we have letter F and we have picture of gate, camel and fish. तो F for क्या होता है? F for gate होता है या F for camel होता है या F for fish होता है? F for fish होता है ना, तो circle picture of fish. तो इसी तरह से आपको करना है. द सेम थिंग यू हैव टू डू इन पेज नंबर 52, 53 एंड 54. ओके. नाउ मूविंग फॉरवर्ड टू द नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज गिवन इन पेज नंबर 55. लेट अस ट्रेस एंड कलर. हियर वी हैव सम पिक्चर्स जिसे आपको पहले क्या करना है? ट्रेस करना है एंड देन कलर. एज दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ apple. So firstly you will trace the picture of apple like this. आपको आता है ना ट्रेस करना, तो ऐसे ही आप ट्रेस करेंगे पहले like this. Okay, and then after tracing color the picture. Okay, this is the picture of apple. No, so what is the color of apple? Red. So color the picture of apple with red crayon, okay? And write the capital letter, trace the picture and name of which begins with the given letter and color it. Means a small letter is given here, we have to write capital letter, okay? तो ये क्या है? Small a. तो here आपको क्या लिखना है? कैपिटल A. और कैपिटल A स्टार्ट होता है फर्स्ट लाइन से और फर्स्ट 3 लाइन में लिखते हैं अपन. तो दिस इज कैपिटल A and A for apple. Next in the sequence we have small c So write down capital C here, trace the picture of cup and then color it. Then we have a small e, so write capital E here. मैम इसलिए नहीं कर रही because this is easy, you can do. आप खुद से कर सकते हो ना इसको. यहाँ पे E लिख सकते हो capital E like this. So write down capital E, trace the picture of elephant and color it. Next up we have a small k. So write down capital K here and then trace and color the picture of kite because K for kite. Then this is a small s. So write down capital S here, then trace the picture of a star and color it. Last in this page, a small t. So write down capital T here and trace and color the picture of tree. Now turn the page. Which letter is this? This is a small f. तो यहाँ पे आपको क्या लिखना है? Capital F. Okay. So write down capital F here and then trace and color the picture of flower. After F we have small h. So write down capital H here. Trace the picture of house and color it. Sorry, this is a hut. Then this is a small m. So write down capital M here. Then trace and color the picture of mat. P. So write down capital P here and trace and color the picture of pencil. After that we have a small u. So write down capital U. Trace and color the picture of umbrella. Last is Y. So write down capital Y here and then color the picture of, trace and color the picture of yo-yo. Is it clear? आपको दो एक्सरसाइज करनी है. फर्स्ट में आपको क्या करना है? रीड लेटर and circle the correct picture. From page number 52, 53 and 54. 53 से 54 में आपको लेटर रीड करना है और करेक्ट पिक्चर में सर्कल करना है. आफ्टर दैट इन पेज नंबर 55 एंड 56 आपको स्मॉल लेटर देख के उसका कैपिटल लेटर लिखना है एंड देन ट्रेस एंड कलर द पिक्चर. ओके. As long as you will complete this exercise, you will see that your book will complete. जैसे ये complete होगा ना आपका तो आप देखेंगे आपकी बुक भी complete हो गई है. And we have just completed. Now do some revision work in your notebook. So open your notebook. बुक वाला वर्क आपको करना है, पिक्चर क्लिक करनी है, सेंड करना है. You are not sending your homework these days. I don't know why, but you are not doing this. आपको homework complete करना है, send करना है. This is compulsory and exams are about to come. आप revisions नहीं करोगे तो how you will write in exams? Now let's just have revision in your notebook. Write down date in your notebook. What's the date today? Today is 17/2/2021. After writing date, write down HW. After SW, write down revision REVISION, revision 1. अब आप सारे कैपिटल एंड स्मॉल लेटर पढ़ चुके हो ना, तो राइट इट बाय योरसेल्फ ओनली. पेरेंट्स से नहीं लिखाना है ना. यू कैन राइट बाय योरसेल्फ. ओके. नाउ write down heading, write capital letters from A to Z. Sorry. क्या लिखना है यहाँ पे? आपको सारे कैपिटल लेटर्स लिखने हैं A से Z तक. A to Z. Okay, so as you know that all the capital letters are written in upper 3 lines. Okay, ऊपर की 3 lines में लिखते हैं सारे capital letters. So ऐसे ही आपको लिखना है from A to Z. And remember one thing, that give proper space between letters. Okay, ऐसे लिखना है आपको, बिल्कुल पास पास में नहीं लिखना है. Write down 4 or 5 letters in a row like A, B, C, D, E, F. So this way write from letter A to Z. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. ओके, आपको लाइंस का स्पेशली ध्यान रखना है कि ऑल द लेटर्स विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम फर्स्ट लाइन एंड विल बी रिटन टिल थर्ड लाइन. ओके, नाउ मूविंग फॉरवर्ड टू रिवीजन 2. राइट डाउन रिवीजन 2 हियर. R, E, V, I, S, I, O and revision 2. The question is, write small letters from A to Z. क्या लिखने हैं आपको? स्मॉल लेटर्स फ्रॉम A to Z. ओके, एंड हियर आपको स्पेशली ध्यान देना है कि कौन सा लेटर कितनी लाइन में लिखा जाता है. एज स्मॉल A is written in 2 lines only, but small letter B is written in upper 3 lines. Then small c is in 2 lines, small d is in 3 lines. तो ऐसे ही आपको लाइंस का ध्यान रखना है कि कौन सा लेटर कितनी लाइंस में लिखना है. ओके, अगर आप प्रॉपरली नहीं लिखोगे ना तो योर मार्क्स विल बी डिडक्टेड इन योर एग्जामिनेशन. सो कीप दिस थिंग्स इन योर माइंड. सो हियर आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग वंस फ्रॉम A to Z. So this is from A to Z. ऐसे ही आपको लिखना है A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. देख रहे हो ना, M सिर्फ 2 लाइन में लिखा जाएगा. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. So practice capital letter from A to Z and small letters from A to Z. Moving forward to the next revision. Revision 3. Revision 3. Here the question is, write small letters for given capital letters. Write small letters for given capital letters. So here I am going to write capital letters जिसका small letter आपको दूसरी साइड पे लिखना है. Okay, as this is capital M, then capital Q, capital D, then capital J, capital R, capital T and capital X. Here we have some capital letters and here we have to write their small letters. So let's just begin from letter M. M का small letter कैसे किस तरह से लिखेंगे अपन? Like this. This is a small letter of M. Now write a small letter of capital Q. So this is how we can write small q. Now small d. To start from the first line, this is a small d. Now this is the capital J. So here write down a small j. After that a small r for this capital R. This is the capital T. So write down a small t. Lastly we have capital X. So write down a small x. Okay. Moving forward to the next revision. Revision 4. REVISION. Revision 4. See pictures and write their capital and small letters. See pictures and write their capital and small letters. So here I am going to draw some pictures जिसके आपको capital and small letters दोनों लिखने हैं. तो let's just begin. Firstly, I am gonna draw picture of ball. Picture of ball. So ball begins with letter B. So write down capital B and then small b. Next in the sequence, I am gonna draw picture of kite. This is the picture of kite. So the kite begins with letter K. So write down capital K and small k. Next in the sequence, draw picture of pencil and pencil begins with letter P. So write down capital P and then small p. Now I am going to draw picture of watch and watch begins with letter W. So write capital W and small w. Next in the sequence, I am going to draw a picture of egg and egg begins with capital E. So write capital E and then small e. So we have done 4 revisions. Firstly, we have done capital letters. So write down capital letters from A to Z and then write down small letters from A to Z. After that, write down small letters for given capital letters, and lastly write down capital and small both the letters for given pictures. So these are the 4 revisions that you have to do in your notebook, and also complete your homework given in book. So basically complete your homework from book and notebook as well. Click pictures and send it to me. Okay? We will meet in the next class. Till then, good day.